Okay, let's do some more real analysis. We got a neighborhood and a ball in a metric space. Where's my pen here? Metric space. Okay, that means there is some metric D, right? Where if you take D of x, x is 0, you get 0. And what else is there? D of xy plus D, get a symmetry property, and then you get I think you also get for x not equal y, and then you get kind of transitive property. Is that right? Is that right? Let's ask the robots. Well, I'm not even sure I can read what I've written. Okay, thinking that those are the metric space axioms. Go on. All right. Basically right. In okay, greater than 0. Symmetry. Oh, okay. This is not equal to. So from x to y to z, that's always greater than x to z. Okay, that's basically saying if you go the indirect way, it's going to take longer. All right, so let's fix some of this stuff. Okay, and then this, that's okay. So now if you go the indirect way, that's always greater than or equal to the direct way. Okay. All right. All right, now let's talk about an open ball. So we have doesn't say that A and epsilon are in R, but I'm going to bet you that that is correct. That's brutal writing an epsilon and then the in symbol. That's tough. That's tough. Okay. Uh, so you have dx of A, an open ball. Right, you have okay, so this ball of A and E gives you a set. So where X is an X, which we're just calling the real numbers here, such that your metric is less than epsilon. Okay, so that's a circle essentially. You have A here. Then if we draw a circle with radius epsilon, okay, this is where the distance x of A, this is where the distance is less than epsilon everywhere in here. All right, so any x in this circle, you're going to have a distance less than epsilon. So this is your open ball. Okay, and then a neighborhood is any set containing this. So here's a neighborhood, and you can have another neighborhood, and you can have a red neighborhood. Okay, all these are neighborhoods. I guess that's just what it's saying. Um, I mean, we've made assumptions about d of x of a that it's going to create this circle, but I don't know if it necessarily has to be true. All right, but that's good. I think that counts. We get it.